India is moving closer to acquiring 26 Rafale Marine F-4 fighter jets to equip its newly commissioned aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant. Indian Navy rejected light combat aircraft Tejas for Navy as a low thrust-to-weight ratio to take off with a full fuel and weapons payload, and being a single-engine aircraft when the force principally desires a strong twin-engine jet. The light combat aircraft Tejas for Navy in its present form does not meet the naval qualitative requirements to be a carrier-based aircraft. It is too heavy for the engine that it has got. It does not meet the weight and thrust ratio requirement to be able to take off with full weapon load. Dassault Rafale is a twin-engine, canard delta-wing, multi-role fighter aircraft, equipped with a wide range of weapons. Rafale intended to perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. The decision followed a competitive selection process under the multi-role carrier-borne fighters program, where the French Rafale M emerged victorious over the US-made Boeing FA-18E and F Super Hornet. The primary objective of this tender is to replace the aging fleet of Russian Mikoyan MiG-29K Fulcrum D fighters with a more modern and capable aircraft for the Indian Navy. On September 3, 2023, the Indian Ministry of Defence's Acquisition Council cleared the way for procuring these 26 Rafale M fighters, namely 22 single-seat and 4 twin-seat trainer versions, by approving a deviation from the original requirements. This deviation, reported by the Hindustan Times, involved omitting the integration of the locally made UTOM active electronically scanned array radar into the new aircraft. The use of a domestic radar system was one of several industrial collaborations negotiated between Dassault Aviation and its Indian counterpart, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Others include the integration of Indian-made weaponry. The Defence's Acquisition Council had approved the acquisition of the Rafale a day before Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Paris as the guest of honor for France's national holiday on July 14, 2023. The Dassault Rafale is a multi-role fighter jet developed by the French aerospace company Dassault Aviation. The Rafale M shares more than 80% of its features with the Indian Air Force's 36 Rafale B and C, which will help India save costs on training, repairs, and maintenance due to the commonality between the fleets.